Hello everyone, this is Prasad. On behalf of Unacademy, I welcome all of you to another session on hybrid electric vehicle. Today we are going to deep dive into conventional ICE powertrain, that is conventional internal combustion engine powertrain. In previous lectures, we have understood what is electric vehicle, what is history of electric vehicle, then we have understood what are hybrid electric vehicle, and then we have seen history of electric vehicles. Along with that, we have understood what are different government initiatives and global motivation factors that are leading us to go for hybrid and electric vehicle. So let's start today's session and understand deeply what exactly is a conventional ICE powertrain. Before that, let's quickly recap what we have learned in previous lecture, that is basic parts of hybrid and electric vehicles. So as you can see on your screen, there is a conventional vehicle wherein we are having parts like there is engine, there is a fuel tank, there is alternator, carburetor, exhaust system, and each and every component of these is having some specific function. So every single component is very important. Unless that component is properly working, your whole vehicle can't work properly. So every single component is having its own importance. And if you see electric vehicle, there is a traction motor, of course, which converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. There is a high voltage battery which is used for energy storage. We have already understood this. Then there is an inverter which converts DC into AC. There is a DC to DC converter because in case of electric vehicle, there are different voltage levels on which the electric vehicle components operate. There is an onboard charger which takes care of the charging of the batteries. There is battery management system, BMS, very important, brain of battery, I would say. And then vehicle control unit. So we can see over here the hybrid electric vehicle, which is nothing but combination of both conventional and electric vehicle. And this is what we have already covered in our previous lecture. So in case of hybrid electric vehicle, you are also going to have traction motor, high voltage battery, inverter, DC to DC converter, onboard charger, and also components of IC powertrain, that is engine, fuel tank, alternator, exhaust system and all. So these are what are block diagrams of conventional vehicle, electric vehicle, and hybrid electric vehicle. Now a question may arise in your mind. So as we are combining both the conventional and electric vehicle, the overall system is going to get more heavy. And yes, you understood it very right. That overall system is going to be heavier. The control strategy is going to be more complex. But ultimate aim of ours is what? Giving solution to the problems. I'm always going you to connect with the basic fundamental of engineer, that giving solution to the problems. Okay, so ultimately the solution to the problem is reducing tailpipe emission, giving better efficiency, and that is what possible with the hybrid electric vehicle. Okay, so let's go ahead, quickly recap the point number 2, schematics, as these are the schematics in case of hybrid electric vehicle and electric vehicle powertrain. If I want to explain you schematics, here you can see in case of conventional vehicle, there is ICE, that is internal combustion engine. What it does, it converts the chemical energy from the fuel into thermal energy and further into mechanical energy. Then there is a clutch, there is a gearbox, and there is a final drive which delivers the power to the wheel. If you consider electric vehicle, the main heart is battery, which is storing energy, and that electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy by electrical motor. There can be different types of motor, AC motor, DC motor and all. Then there is a clutch, of course. In case of electric motor, the clutch and gearbox are of not at all importance. There is going to be a fixed gear in case of electric vehicle, but to show you, to make it simple, we have shown it over here. And there is a final drive which will deliver power to the wheels. And when you are considering the hybrid electric vehicle, it is going to have combination of both of these, that is internal combustion engine and a gearbox along with the clutch is nothing but ICE powertrain, and connected to it with some mechanical arrangement is a electric vehicle powertrain where you are having a battery, you are having electrical motor, and these are connected together to the final drive of hybrid electric vehicle. So these, you can see block diagram, whatever I have shown you in previous slide is same. Here just we have converted that into block diagram to make you understand in a better way. So this is how the conventional and electric vehicle come together to form the hybrid electric vehicle.